When it comes to versatile kitchen appliances, this Elite Gourmet Extra Deep electric skillet stands out as a go-to solution for effortless meal preparation. Ideal for large families or those who love to entertain, this electric skillet is designed with durability, convenience, and safety in mind. The non-stick coating, adjustable temperature settings, and generous cooking space make it easy to prepare everything from hearty breakfasts to savory one-pan dinners. Below, we'll dive into the features and benefits of this impressive kitchen tool, highlighting what makes it a must-have in your cooking routine. Key benefits: multi-purpose cooking, perfect for a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe and fully immersible once the probe is removed. Even heating, no more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. Large capacity, serves 6 to 8 people, ideal for family gatherings. Safe and durable, ETL certified with cool touch handles and sturdy construction. Why choose the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep electric skillet? The Elite Gourmet Extra Deep electric skillet is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd. Its convenient features, such as the adjustable temperature control, large cooking surface, and non-stick coating, make meal preparation quick and straightforward. Plus, the skillet's deep walls and splatter-proof design mean less cleanup afterward. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use kitchen appliance that simplifies cooking without sacrificing quality, the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep electric skillet is an excellent choice. With its large capacity, high-quality construction, and user-friendly features, it's no surprise that this skillet has become a top pick for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Expanding your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet electric skillet. If you're short on stove space or want to prepare meals without heating the entire kitchen, the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep electric skillet offers an excellent alternative. Its compact design means it fits comfortably on countertops, making it perfect for dorms, small kitchens, or even outdoor cooking. With the 10.5 quart capacity, you'll have more than enough room to prepare meals for 6 to 8 people, while the 3.15-inch depth prevents splatter and allows you to cook larger portions with ease. Heavy-duty non-stick surface for easy cleaning. The Elite Gourmet skillet's marble stone non-stick coating provides a scratch-resistant surface that prevents food from sticking, even with minimal oil. This coating is more durable than traditional non-stick surfaces and won't crack or peel over time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and fully immersible, so cleaning up is a breeze. Once the temperature control probe is removed, you can safely submerge the skillet, saving you time and effort on cleaning. Adjustable temperature range for precision cooking. Equipped with a temperature dial ranging from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this skillet provides precise heat control, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes. The embedded M-shaped heating element ensures even heat distribution, so you won't have to worry about hot spots or unevenly cooked food. Whether you're searing, sautéing, frying, or slow cooking, the Elite Gourmet electric skillet delivers consistent and reliable results. The power indicator light serves as a handy visual cue, allowing you to monitor when the skillet reaches the desired temperature. This attention to detail ensures that you have full control over your cooking process, making meal prep less stressful and more enjoyable. Generous cooking surface for all your favorite recipes. With dimensions of 16-inch by 13-inch by 3.15-inch, the Elite Gourmet skillet provides plenty of space to prepare a wide variety of meals. You can easily make large batches of pancakes, cook several pieces of chicken at once, or prepare a family-sized stir-fry. This skillet's depth also enables you to prepare stews and casseroles without worrying about ingredients spilling over the edge. Constructed from thick, cast aluminum with a black lacquer finish, this skillet is built to last. The material is resistant to warping and rusting, providing durability that ensures your skillet will remain a kitchen staple for years to come. Whether it's daily meals or special occasions, you can count on the Elite Gourmet skillet to perform reliably. Locking in flavor with a tempered glass lid. One of the highlights of the Elite Gourmet electric skillet is its tempered glass lid, which allows you to monitor cooking progress without releasing heat or moisture. This feature is essential for achieving tender, flavorful results, as it helps lock in juices and aromas. The vented lid prevents steam buildup, reducing the risk of overcooking while maintaining the perfect texture and taste in your food. Conclusion: the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet is more than just a cooking tool. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify meal prep without sacrificing flavor or convenience. From the spacious cooking surface to the thoughtful safety features, this skillet is designed with users in mind. Its versatility, durability, and ease of cleaning make it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Invest in an appliance that does it all: searing, sautéing, frying, and more, with precision and efficiency. With the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in more quality family time and easier, faster cooking. Don't wait to transform your kitchen routine. Bring home the Elite Gourmet Skillet today and start creating memorable meals with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.